Alright, so me and my daughter and my mom are getting ready to head out to Tides Point for a little visit. You should enjoy the scenery out there, it's a beautiful spot. Y'all ready to go see some goats, Leah? You look too excited. It's not such a bad thing to do. Here comes my mama with some food for the goats. There's this guy over here. This one's a little shyer. My grandfather used to work here many years ago. Too much wind for my girl. While my mom's back there chatting, I'm going to show you the big rock cut, the big drop between or over this cliff here. There's a reason they got a fence here. Risk to shoot. Yeah, there's a risk to shooting yourself. Quite the view. Love this place. Way off in the distance, me and my cousin used to hike up over those hills. Just to do something on a Saturday afternoon. This changed a lot though. It used to be the old traditional lighthouse here. And as I mentioned, my grandfather was a lighthouse keeper. He's eyeing me. Oh, that's pretty neat. Smart. I always wondered how they scratched her back. Good job. Now, what are these two doing? They're playing. They're having a bit of fun. I think the little one's the bully here anyway, isn't he? Clunk. Yeah, they're definitely playing around. Oh, to be a goat. Simple. Living out here with this view. They're starving to death, waiting on you.
Two-toner, little one, and Blackie. Surgery. Wait.
It's good. How's your coffee, Mom?
My coffee's delicious. Sorry you don't have one.
That's all right.
It's bad for you.
Gonna do my traditional walk down to the trail, have a look at the cliffs. All while trying to avoid stepping in goat crap. Ooh. Isn't this beautiful? What's not to like about this? This is a perfect spot for a tent, as long as there's no wind. There's always wind here though. Alright, let's keep going this way. Thing I keep forgetting about when I'm walking up here is that there's a huge crack in this big old cliff. And it almost looks like from drone that it's actually splitting the entire way to the other side over that way. So if you find this video footage 20 years from now without discovering me, that's where I am. There it is, over this way. I shouldn't follow goat paths though, not too much. Yeah, not a good spot to end up dropping down into. I don't think I can keep going over this way, so I'm going to head back. Plus I'm a little nervous now. Birds are fighting. Gotta say, I love how accurate the weather forecast is here. Sometimes it's good. Like, it was supposed to be raining all day today, and this ain't rain. Ugh. I'm too old for this stuff. Well, there's no zoom on an action camera, but there's a couple whales out there. Might as well stop showing you the ocean now because you're not going to see them. Yeah, I know. My mom and my daughter having a good chat, watching for whales. It's nice. Wonder what they're talking about. Found a straggler in the woods. Well, it's time for us to leave. The goats are all happy. They got their bellies full. He's lying in his bed that he made earlier. Perfect ending to the day for these guys.